Alright guys, let's get a look under here. So, I've got it on jack stands. I'm keeping the jack there for now until I get everything down, but from what I believe, it's just that, and that one right there. I'm gonna take another look, then of course the brake lines, but I'm trying to drop it down with the wheels and whatnot, so probably take this off right here. But let me give this another look around, then I'll come back to you and we'll figure out what we're gonna do. But yeah, it's looking a little nasty under here. I really want to get this diff cleaned. I want to get all this clean and I'm just gonna paint these like a flat black for now. But yeah, I want to get all this rust off because it's looking pretty disgusting under here. Then we can spray under there with some undercoating like I did there. But then we look here and we'll get straight back to it. Alright, so it's a little hard to see, but we're getting these brake lines off because I'm going to take the wheels off with this rear end, so it's easier for me to move around. So we're going to break this loose. Oh wait, no. I think I got to go down. Damn, I don't want to break this. Hold on. No, I got to go down with it. I need to put it a little higher. Now we can use the regular wrench. Don't strip it. There we go. Get it by hand yet? No, we can't. I already got the other side off. It's just this side that we are doing now. I can get it by hand now. Perfect. Now let me get my screwdriver or flathead. We're just gonna have to pry this out a bit. Try not to hit my camera. There we go. There we go. That's out. Pull this then. These lines are no good, so I'm just hitting them right here. And those pull right out, so we're good there. Now let's get under there. I think I'm gonna take off these shocks, but I'm gonna see first. Yeah, let's take these shocks off so when it comes down, that's all we gotta do. And I think a piece of the sway bar, so let's get under there. Alright guys, so I'm having to take off this wheel because I'm gonna get the e-brake line off, which I'm glad I saw, or else I would have tore the thing because I didn't see it till I had to take off the sway bar little link. Oh shit. Oh shit. What is happening there? Is this a different size? Yeah, I believe it's a different size. But I was saying, yeah, we got it, the e-brake cable we got to get off. I'm glad I noticed it, or else I would have tore when I came down with this rear end. That one's out, that one's out. What's wrong with this one? Oh yeah, this is a completely different one. Let me get my toolbox right here. Let's see if it's a 19 or what. Yes, that's a 19. Yeah, it's a completely different socket, or lug. Take this little saw blade off. Put that bad boy right there. And let me show you. Right here is the line, so I believe all I gotta do is push this off, from what I can tell, at least. Let me see. That's not gonna be that easy. I think I gotta put it down. Alright, so let me zoom you in here. Fix this a little. Alright, so I went to whatchamacallit, take those bolts off, but I guess the caliper didn't have any bolts at all. It just popped off. So for now, all right, hold on. Where can I grab this bitch? Right here. For now, I'm just gonna put it on that. Let it be there for now. It's not in the way at all. And it'll give me time to mess with that a little later. It'll be fine. I can mess with it a little later, but once I get that dropped down, then I'll get that off after. But I got a little time, so for now, I'm gonna leave that like that. I'm gonna put this wheel back on, so when I drop the rear end, it'll have something to roll around on, and it's easier to get off. I'm not here struggling, so let me throw this wheel back on and we'll get back to it. I'm trying to get you as much as I can under there. It's just a little hard because the camera doesn't really fit too good, but let's get to it. Alright, so next we're gonna get off the shock, the 17mm. Oh, my fucking head. Like so. Take that off. See if this big screwdriver will work. If not, I'll get a pry bar. Okay, cool. There we go. There's that. So all I gotta do is take off the other one, then we'll get that bolt and the diff one, and we're good to go. We'll drop this down. All right, let's see if this thing comes down. Turn this slowly. All right, hopefully my camera doesn't die, but we're going just as slowly but surely. I'm not trying to just drop this. I'm trying to go really slow and careful. All right, so this side, we're good to go there. It's already on the wheel. I'm gonna take this down. Move that out of my way. Now let's just work with this other side. Got the rear end right here. Everything was pretty easy. The only thing is when it was coming down, I forgot to take this out, but this was easy. This was just two 17mm. Then I forgot it has two e-brake lines. So this one I was pulling, I was getting stuck on this. It's just a damn holder on this a little hard, so I just kind of banged it out. But that's no problem. But look at that. Man, I'll get you under here. Well, you can't really see, but it's sitting on two tires right now. But it was pretty easy. Check that out. Fucking. But other than that, we got it down. We're gonna start getting it cleaned up. We're gonna do that in the next one. So hit that follow and stay tuned. Check that bad boy out. Well, if it focuses. But yeah, got it all done. The old son of a gun. It's a little bit of a headache, but W. See you in the next one.